This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Caroline Badgett. Updated kitchen cabinets, new or dark stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors on the main, new carpet upstairs, wrought iron railing, and a new covered patio, fenced-in backyard, newer HVAC, WH replaced in 2016. This house is truly move-in ready. Great for entertaining family and guests both inside and out with a large covered patio off the sunroom. 4 bedrooms and a bonus room are upstairs. On the main level, there is an office, formal dining room, living room west/wood burning fireplace, large sunroom, kitchen, laundry, and 2-car garage. Gardener's delight with perennial flowers and fruit trees. Garden bed has been made ready for your spring planting. This neighborhood connects to 3 Greenway trails, making it easy to bike or walk to the Farragut Library, Turkey Creek Shopping and Movie Theater. For more information, review the details below or contact Caroline Badgett at 865-966-1111.